Okay, so who doesn't love a nice tall glass of chocolate milk on a hot day like today? Well, this new drink frother makes a great chocolate milk. I'll show you how easy it is. We put half a glass of milk into the glass, add some Fox's U-Bet, and this is the good kind made with real sugar, not corn syrup. Now typically I'll mix this with a spoon and I'll end up with some chocolate and some milk and some chocolate milk and kind of a mess, but now I'm going to use this new drink frother. Turn it on and it just starts spinning and mixing that chocolate with the milk. But wait, there's more. We start off with half a glass. In just about a minute, I'm only going to mix it thoroughly, but I'm going to end up with a full glass of chocolate milk. It's growing, you can see. Kind of keep it close to the surface so you get some air spun in there. So this thing works great for both cold drinks and hot drinks. I used it this morning to make my cappuccino twice as foamy as it gets from the steam wand itself. I'll show you that in another video. But here we go. Nice glass of frothy chocolate milk. Yum!